For the Angelina Jolie assignment, we're going to remove the mold you can see right there, and we're going to recolor her eyes and her hair. I click, I copy the image, I go into Photoshop, new, okay, edit, paste. Boom. First, let's get rid of this big mole here. I'm going to zoom in. And what I'm going to use is what's called the clone tool. It looks like this. And I'm going to make it bigger by tapping the right angle bracket key. I'm then going to hold down the Alt key, click above it, move down, and click. Clicked a couple times, and as you can see, it's now gone. I can then zoom out using the zoom tool. As you can see, she has no mole anymore. Now let's recolor her eyes. I'm going to click down here and zoom in again to her eyes. I'm going to make a new layer by coming down here and clicking on the new layer button. As you can see, this will create a new layer. Click. Now I have a new layer here. I can then grab a brush, choose a color that I like, red for example. Make my brush size smaller, and I can paint red eyes onto her. If you want to make your brush softer, you can come up here and take the hardness down. This will make for a softer brush, not quite as harsh. Once you have this layer of red on top of her eyes, you'll notice it looks a little fakey. Well, we're going to come to the blending mode. So with this layer selected, I come to the blending mode here. Yours probably says normal. And I'm going to change it to color. You'll notice it switched to the color. If there's some places that I didn't quite get, I can go in and color them again. If there's some places that you went over too hard, you can always use the eraser tool and erase them. You can also go up to Image, Adjustments, Hue Saturation, or Control U for short. And you can change the hue. If you didn't like red, you could make it blue, or another color of your choosing. I'm actually going to go with blue. You can take the saturation up, or you can bring the saturation down. Just how much color is really involved in it. I'm going to go ahead and bring it down a little bit. There we go. You can see this is our new image. This is the old one. This is the new one. She obviously has much brighter blue eyes now. Now, if we wanted to change her hair color, or maybe just make it look a little interesting, we could do a very similar technique that we did with the eyes. I can create a new layer again. And on this new layer, I can color over her hair, for example. Choose my blending mode. Using the eraser tool, you can clean up what you did. And you can keep working it until you get it the way you like it. When you're finally done, you can click File, Save As, Angelina. Save it as a JPEG. I move down the others and save. Click here. You're good to go.